Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys a beautiful home tour. Neenga enna madri plant lover anda, you guys are absolutely going to love this. So this is the main entrance of the house. This house actually belongs to my sister, so you can see how beautifully she has decorated her lawn area with these ceramic decor pieces. I just love each one of them. I just want to go and steal them. So நீங்களே பார்க்கலாம், it's like so beautiful. Look at this girl decor piece. I just love it. It looks so cute, right? So இப்படியே வந்தா, this is the main entrance. So entrance pakatliyo she has kept some decor pieces like this. I just love this boy and girl. Super ah irukangala. And even under the tree she has placed a ceramic decor piece. So I just love the overall look. And near the entrance, if you see, there is a beautiful planter. In the planter you can see there are a lot of flowering plants, and even near the entrance she has used some decor pieces, and she has used some ZZ plants, bonsai plants here. I just love this corner. This corner has so many plants and cute decor pieces. Now let's enter the house. So even near entrance she has placed some real plants. So once you enter, you'll be able to see two rooms, which I'll walk you through later, and there is a stairs here, and this side will be the formal living. You can see அவ்வளோவா கிளஸ்டராகவே இல்லை. She kept it very minimal, yet it's looking so simple and classy because she has used so much of plants here. So there's a name for these laughing Buddhas. It's Happy and Jolly. And this side is a beautiful bamboo plant and a Buddha statue. Near the Buddha statue is a creeper which she placed as a small plant and which has grown into a bushy one like this. Super ah irukanga. I just love it. And this side there are some decorative pieces and some plants. This side also there are two beautiful planters and one huge plant. You can see with plants she has decorated her whole formal living. I just love it. And this side near the entrance door there is a snake plant. Now let's climb on the stairs. So even in the stairs she has decorated with some beautiful cute planters. Idhula irukadhu real plant da. So while we are climbing the stairs, there's a small space in which she has placed this angel statue. So on the stairs there is a beautiful brass decor, near which she has placed a money plant. And in this first floor there are two rooms, and this room is a guest bedroom. She has kept it very simple. Just a bed and a single wall hanging and a natural plant. So there is a name for these toys. It's Lala and Kittu. So this room has an attached washroom. So here there is a small walk-in closet in which she has placed all her chudidars. These are only her chudidars, not her office wear. So she has kept it really neat, romba neat-a irukku. So on the floor she has placed some teddies. My Baba has a habit of getting her teddy every year. So that's it for this room. And if you come here, there is another room. This is just like a sitting and relaxing room. So here she has decorated with African dolls. I just love this corner also. There are so many African dolls here. And I love the cushions. So on this side there are some cute decor pieces, and in this room there is a cupboard in which she has placed all the cushions, bed sheets and comforts. So adho neat arrange pannitaanga. So and on the wall there is a beautiful painting. You can see which my sister has got from other sister. So this looks so beautiful. And even in this room there is an attached washroom. So you can see even the washroom she has decorated it so beautifully. I just love those decor pieces. And if you go inside like this, there is the tub area. So that's it for the first floor. So if you are on the stairs, you can see the formal living and the entrance door. So let's check out what are the other rooms available on the ground floor. So ipo nama ground floor vandache. You can see I am actually in the family living. So there are some cute African dolls over here. She has placed some African dolls, and there is a beautiful Buddha statue here. So she has kept the family living very simple. There is no like center table or side table. She has kept it very simple. And there you can see the dining space. This is her dining space. This also she has kept it very minimal, yet it looks beautiful. So abdi in the side vanda on the wall you can see there are a lot of small ceramic decor pieces. All these decor pieces my sister has collected over the years. Given a chance I'll go and steal all of them. She also sent me few of them when my mother went to US. I have a video on my channel in which I have shown like what I got from US. You guys can check it out. So if you walk from here, you will be able to go into this patio. If you guys want to see this patio, you guys have to wait because I'm sharing it in part 2 video. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also please do let me know in the comment section below which part of the house you like the most. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.